And this is okay. All right, this is called number 2021-13455 in the interest of Natalie Andrews. Please identify yourself for the record.
Kara Mitchell for the state of Texas Attorney General.
All right, the court will note this is a UIFSA matter, and the non-custodial parent, Jason Burton, was personally served on April 3rd, 2021 at 3:07 p.m. at 2700 Ward Road, apartment 136 in Baytown, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
He was given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, which was delivered on at 7:42 a.m. June 11th, 2021. Hmm. All right, so we will proceed by default. He is not checked in, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, let's proceed.
Okay, Your Honor. The state asks at this time that you take judicial notice of the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act petition filed March the 9th, 2021.
Okay.
And within that petition, the state of Missouri has requested that we establish the following things. First thing is paternity of the child, current child support, current medical support, more specifically, the government medical insurance, retroactive child support, at least 4 years back from the prior to the date of filing, and a non-disclosure.
Okay.
With regard to the paternity of the child, the state has attached to the petition a declaration in support of establishing parentage, and we request that paternity be established between Jason Burton and Natalie Andrews. We
Okay.
also request that child support be set at $173 to begin July the 1st, 2021. And that child support is based on a minimum wage, giving Mr. Burton credit for 2 children that reside with him. We also request medical support, current medical support in the amount of $57 to start July the 1st, 2021. And then we ask for a retroactive child support judgment to be taken against Mr. Burton in the amount of $8,996. That's based on 52 months of child support at minimum wage, at that minimum wage amount, as of June the 22nd, 2021. And that is for period between March the 9th, 2017 and June 22nd, 2021. We also ask that that be paid back at $92 a month beginning July the 1st, 2021. And it should be paid in that amount until it should be paid in that amount until the child emancipates. If the child emancipates and the balance is still owed, we ask that Mr. Burton pay that back at $265 a month until the balance is completely paid off.
Okay.
With regard to the non-disclosure, we request that non-disclosure based on the declaration of non-disclosure that the state has attached to the petition as well.
What page is that on in the
It
declaration?
is it's the first page
Uh,
of,
hold on. There's state of Mississippi. Okay. The first attachment, the first page of the
the,
attachment.
yes,
Okay, I'm looking at page 1 of 3. Is that right?
let me Scroll back up, Your Honor.
What is it under? I don't.
It doesn't say one of three, but right under our actual petition is the very first page.
Okay, right under your petition, I got costs. I got the prayer. Very first page says declaration of non-disclosure. Right?
Yes.
Okay. All that says is that the declaration is made of personal knowledge, matters stated therein. Uh, Under the signature, any disclosure of my personal information would jeopardize the health, safety, and liberty of myself or my children. I've read and understand the statements made herein. There is there a state? Is there anything attached to say why um, uh, disclosing the address would jeopardize the health, safety, and liberty of herself? Or is she just
I
saying that?
believe I believe that might be what everything that they've attached to this particular portion, but let me dig a little deeper.
In other words, well, I haven't seen this on a view. If so, what, do you require that she give a reason why it would jeopardize her health, safety, whatever, welfare? You don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, so
But
let's
if you need me to, I could stand down and get that answered for you,
let's
or see
let's
if
re,
there's.
let's recess until you can find out the answer. Maybe they don't have to sign it. Maybe they don't have to have another declaration saying, "Well, he beat me," or "he whatever," or "he's harassed me," or whatever. But you do have to have that here in Texas. You have to have uh, facts and evidence to show that the disclosure would likely cause the child or the conservator harassment, abuse, serious harm, or injury. But what about in the U.S. Matters? I think this is the first one that I've had with a non-disclosure. I'm not sure, but can you find out about that? Do you understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, I do. Let
Okay.
me research, and I will come back.
All right. We'll recess.